वेरी गुड बेटे कैमरे के पीछे मुझे हंस के देखना है। ये तबीयत सही है? बस जब शादी का तीसरा साल शुरू होता है ना तो फिर बंदा पहले 2 साल भूल जाता है, फिर वो कहता है कि बस। ऑल राइट, okay, question number 20, 21, 22, 23, we'll do that later. Let's do questions 24 to 26 because over here we've got summary completion. Complete the summary below. Write your answers in boxes 24 to 26. Responses to boredom. Now they will be, because there is a summary and answers are going to be in order. And when there is one summary, answers are in 1 or 2 paragraphs grouped together. Okay, so we got this responses to boredom. Right. Yes, responses are in paragraph D, absolutely. So now we found it, so we need to go on from paragraph D. And summary is basically the summary of 2-3 paragraphs, right? So let's see, from the summary, first of all, you will find a clue word that will take you to the passage. Responses to boredom. For John Eastwood, the central feature of boredom is that people cannot. Let's go back. People cannot. John Eastwood. It starts from paragraph D. Next page, if allowed to fester. For Eastwood, the central feature of boredom is a failure to put our attention system into gear. Okay? This causes an inability, underline inability. Inability means people cannot. Inability means people cannot. Inability to focus. So people cannot focus. Now with can, we never use to. People cannot focus, inability to focus. Got it? So if you know these things, these words, reading will be easier for you. Otherwise, it will be difficult. People cannot focus and inability to focus due to a failure in what he calls the attention system. And as a result, they means people. They become frustrated and irritable. His team, whose team? John Eastwood's team. His team suggests that those for whom dash is an important aim in life. Dash is an important aim in life. His team. Paragraph E. Good. Alright, just come to third line. Paragraph E. Boredom proneness has been linked with a variety of traits. People who are motivated by, now try to understand. People who are motivated by and those for whom dash is an important aim in life. Important aim in life means people who are motivated by. Motivated by what? Pleasure. Exactly. So people who are motivated by pleasure, and his team suggests that those for whom pleasure is an important aim in life may have problems. Answer is pleasure, not palayar, tarayar, mayar, yeah, layar. Yeah. So pleasure is an important aim in life, may have problems in coping with boredom, whereas those, now second type of people, whereas those who have the characteristic of, go back, those who have characteristic means personality trait, characteristic of personality trait, and for those he used the word other personality traits such as curiosity, that's right, personality trait. And for that they use the word characteristic of. Personality trait, characteristic, and answer is curiosity. Okay, so you found 3 answers in 2 paragraphs and they were grouped together, right? 2 paragraphs, 3 answers. This is good. Got it? So you can find your own order of solving academic IELTS reading. Type A questions should be preferred. Then you can do type B at the end. And most of the question types, they are type A, where questions and answers are in order, right? Thank you.